Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot today on a Cara. We changed sight glass, had a broken sight glass, and this machine is just about ready up to temp. It has a 2 switch where you manually turn it down once it gets up to the brewing temperature. But while it's going, we're going to check the steam real quick. Nice strong steam. It's actually ready to do a shot. It's a nice solid machine. You can see it's still heating, so at that point we'll turn it down. That's the pressure stack. I'm going to give it another turn, another push, just as a single shot. Probably have this one for myself to drink. Let's see, move out. Move away here. It's a nice shot of coffee. Thank you very much for the repair. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you. It's a good shot of coffee.